Ever imagine a world where the blind could see again? Welcome to the revolutionary world of the Bionic Eye. This incredible innovation, spearheaded by Elon Musk's Neuralink, is set to change the future of human vision forever. But how does it work? And how can it restore sight or even enhance it? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the Bionic Eye? Picture this: a seamless blend of artificial intelligence, bioengineering, and neural interfaces. Unlike traditional eye implants, the Bionic Eye bypasses damaged parts entirely. Using Neuralink technology, it sends electrical signals straight to the brain's visual cortex. This technology taps into the phenomenon of blindsight, where the brain can respond to visual stimuli even without conscious awareness, showing that even in the absence of full visual perception. Before we go deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with Tech Universe's latest innovations. All right, quick quiz time. Can you name the part of the eye responsible for controlling how much light enters it? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you get it right, we'll give you a heart. Now, how does the Bionic Eye work? It consists of two main components: a tiny camera that captures images and a microchip implanted in the brain. The camera sends visual data to the chip, which translates it into electrical impulses. These impulses stimulate the brain's visual cortex, letting the person see without a fully functional eye. Over time, the brain adapts to these signals, processing them just like natural vision. Imagine a world of basic shapes and contrast today, but full, detailed vision tomorrow. Maybe even better than normal human capability. And where will the Bionic Eye be used? The impact is enormous. It could restore vision for millions suffering from conditions like retinitis pigmentosa, macular degeneration, or traumatic eye injuries. Hospitals and research centers are already conducting trials. Soon, this groundbreaking device could be available to anyone who has lost their sight. Imagine the life-changing impact for someone who hasn't seen a sunset in years, or someone who's never seen their loved ones' faces. The Bionic Eye could restore not just sight, but hope and independence. So, when can we expect this incredible technology to be available? While it's still in clinical trials, experts predict a fully functional version could hit the market by the early 2030s. Thanks to Neuralink's rapid advancements, we might see earlier versions in select medical centers even sooner. But what makes this possible? At the heart of the Bionic Eye is a brain-machine interface, Neuralink's specialty. Microchips communicate directly with the brain, powered by AI algorithms that process visual data in real time. Tiny, yet powerful, these chips allow the Bionic Eye to function seamlessly with the body's nervous system. This is the future of bioengineering, where biology and technology merge. The Bionic Eye will be more than just a medical device. It will be a second chance at life. It will empower millions who thought they'd never see again to live full, independent lives. From helping blind children navigate the world to giving sight back to the elderly, this technology will redefine what's possible. The world is on the brink of a vision revolution, and the Bionic Eye is leading the way. Excited about the future of vision? Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Universe for more mind-blowing technological breakthroughs. Stay curious, because the future is brighter than ever, literally. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of vision is just around the corner.